What have you heard about the child support program? Do you know if that information is correct? The truth is, there are a lot of myths out there about how child support works. We're setting the record straight in this video to help Colorado parents and guardians better understand the ins and outs of child support. Myth: when the court issues a support order, a case will automatically open with the local county. Just because the court issues a support order does not mean that the order is being enforced by a county office. To open a case in a child support office, there must be an application for services submitted by a parent, a non-parent caretaker, a referral from Colorado Works, the program that manages TANF in Colorado, or a referral from another state. Myth: if I apply for child support, the other parent will automatically find out where I live. Your safety and the safety of your child is our top priority. That's why we have guardrails in place to protect your information from being released to the other parent when there are safety concerns. If you check the Non-Disclosure Indicator, NDI, on the online and printed application for child support services, your caseworker will add a note to your case file, and all child support correspondence will be mailed to an alternate address. Your physical address will remain hidden to the other parent. A formal protection order or a restraining order is not required to get an NDI. If you have safety concerns for yourself or your child, please contact the National Domestic Violence Hotline for assistance at 1-800-799-7233 or visit thehotline.org. Myth: the other parent and I split parenting 50-50, so that means I don't owe child support. Child support isn't only based on parenting time. It's calculated by parenting time, income, and other expenses like health insurance and daycare. Myth: child support ends when my child turns 18. In Colorado, parents are required to financially support their children until emancipation. Generally, under Colorado orders, children emancipate at the age of 19. This means that a child support order remains active through that age. Emancipation may occur earlier if a child gets married or joins the military before reaching the age of 19. If this happens, you must tell your child support worker. Emancipation may also occur after the child turns 19 if they are still in high school or an equivalent program, both parties agree in writing, or if a child is mentally or physically disabled and continued support is ordered. Myth: there are no real consequences if child support isn't paid. The child support program uses several enforcement remedies if a parent is not paying child support. This includes suspending driver's licenses, recreational licenses, or professional licenses, recording liens on property, intercepting tax refunds, insurance settlements, workman's comp payments, and sports betting, lottery, and gambling winnings. In some cases, amounts in bank accounts may also be seized as well. Myth: my employer is withholding my payments, but child support still took my tax refund, which must be a mistake. This is known as a tax offset. It happens when there is a child support balance due. Even if you are currently paying or have an arrears payment plan in place, the tax offset will be applied to the balance due. Myth: child support can only be enforced in the same state in which an order was established. If the non-custodial parent lives in a different state, child support can still be enforced. The Colorado Division of Child Support Services will work with the child support agency in that state to establish a child support order or enforce one. Child support agencies across the country work together to help children and families. Myth: the Family Support Registry and the Colorado Child Support Services program are the same thing. The Family Support Registry, or FSR, is an independent agency. It is the central payment processing system for the state of Colorado. The FSR processes and disperses child support and spousal support payments. County child support agencies are responsible for opening, tracking, and enforcing child support orders. To receive child support services, you can fill out an application online or in person at a county child support office. Child support is about more than collecting money. We also support families by providing resources and referrals that can help with employment, job training, housing, and more. Let's work together so that Colorado kids have the financial support they need to thrive. To learn more or apply for services, visit our website at childsupport.state.co.us.